Hello guys, welcome back to another episode where I'm going to solve Geek for Geeks daily problem. So today's problem is insert in a sorted list. So the question is problem is given a linked list sorted in ascending order and an integer called data. Insert data in the linked list such that the list remains sorted. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to insert data inside this linked list so that the linked list still remains sorted. So like it is still, so when we are inserting in 19 here, so the linked list is still sorted as 19 is inserted into the first place. Similarly, if linked list is like this, so it will be in between 50 and 100. Okay, so let's divide this problem into three parts. So I'll just write three parts here. I'm thinking, so this part is going to handle if you need to insert into first place. Second part will be if you need to insert into in between. And the third part will be if you need to insert at last. So we are going to handle these three scenarios. Let's see how we can tackle it. So if the data is less than so okay, I'll just do it another way. So if the head one dot data, so basically data is the key of the linked list where you will get the data, and then if it is greater than your key, so if the first element itself is greater than the key, then what we're going to do is we're going to create new node equal to node, and then we will use our key, and new node dot next is equal to our head one, and let's just simply return new node. This is how the first scenario will be handled. So we will just add uh, the first element of the head into this, and then we will return the new node. So basically it will be like we are just adding a new data in at the first place, and then we are placing it here. So this is how our need to handle it the first place. Then we will write another logic to handle it the end. So in the end, if we need to do it, what we have to do is we will, let's have hh old, which will be your say head one. No, this is now how it will be. Okay, let's do step by step then. Let me just create. So if you need, okay, if we need to insert in between, what we will have to do is we will have to select, we will have to send the original head one. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write original head one, head equal to head one. Why I'm doing this? Because okay, I will write it here. Why to write here? Because we will have to send, we will have to so return the head of edited linked list. So basically we need to send the original head because we are going to add in between. So original head is going to be your original head. So for example here it is always going to be 50 because we are going to add in between. Now what we can do is we can do uh, okay, so while, okay, even before while, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write head equal to head one dot next, and while head. So till a point where head is not null, what I'm going to do is if head dot data is greater than your key. So basically now we have head is greater than key. What I'm going to do is uh, okay, we will come here after a few moments. What I'm thinking is we need to manage so previous as well. So previous head equal to hh, and head equal to head dot mm, next. This is how our loop is going to iterate, because as we need previous head to update, that's why I'm right giving it like this, and then we're going to use previous head. Okay, now what I'm thinking is we just have to add new node. So again we can just reutilize this. So new node is going to your new node, and new node dot next is going to be your previous node's next, because it is going to your current node. So you can use even current node, but I'm going to use the next one. And previous head dot next is going to be your current node, because now we are going to add in between, and then we are going to return original. Is original head this one? Sorry, it's ori head. HH is not defined. Where is HH? Okay, so it is, let's add it at the beginning. Yeah, it is working. Let's add it in between. So let's say 48. Yeah, it is working. Now we need to handle the scenario that it showed first, that is 81. So let's do it. It is not going to give anything, because we don't have that final scenario handle. So that is going to be very much simple. We're going to just create a new node, and as we have previous head here, what I'm going to do is previous, we're going to head equal to new node, and then return your original head, which is this one. And yet it is missing. So then what is missing? Oh, why I'm using it should be next. Looking fine to me. Now I think we can submit it. Hopefully it will not give us time complexity issues. Runtime error. Local variable previous head is referred before assignment. Strange. Let's copy this. Hmm, I think this is not required then. That was the issue. I mean, in the first place, we are not even supposed to update it, because uh, then I'm even assigning it to head one. Okay, let it be. Let me submit it and let's see if it works. don't give. Oh, okay, great, it worked. Okay, thank you. See you in next video.